In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fusion 360 Error 123 quickly and easily. If you've tried opening or saving a project in Fusion 360 and suddenly received Error 123, don't worry, because this is actually a very common issue and it's usually easy to fix. This error typically appears when Fusion 360 cannot properly access a file location on your computer. It often happens because of an invalid file path, unsupported characters in a folder name, or sometimes a corrupted local cache. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common causes and the exact steps you can use to fix the problem. And if this video helps you solve the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand why Fusion 360 Error 123 happens. In most cases, the error appears when Fusion is trying to read or write a file and something about the file path causes a problem. One common reason is invalid characters inside a file or folder name. Characters like hashtags, percent symbols, or unusual symbols can sometimes break the file path and cause Fusion to throw error 123. Another possible cause is when the file path is too long. If your project is saved inside many nested folders with long names, the system may fail to process that path correctly. The third possible reason is a corrupted local cache created by Fusion 360. Sometimes cached files become damaged and prevent projects from loading correctly. And finally, this error can also happen if a project is saved in an unsupported or unusual directory on your computer. Now let's go through the fixes step by step. The first solution is to rename the file or folder that contains your Fusion project. Look at the folder path where the file is stored and remove any special characters like hashtags, percent signs, or other unusual symbols. Try keeping the name simple using letters, numbers, or underscores. After renaming the folder or file, try opening the project again in Fusion 360 and see if the error disappears. The second fix is to move the file to a simpler location on your computer. Sometimes the issue is caused by a very long or complex file path. To solve this, move your file to a shorter path such as your desktop or your documents folder. Once the file is in a simpler location, reopen Fusion 360 and try loading the project again. This alone fixes the problem for many users. The third solution is to clear the Fusion 360 local cache. Over time, Fusion stores temporary files on your system, and if these become corrupted, they can trigger errors like error 123. To fix this, close Fusion 360 completely, locate the Fusion cache folder on your system, delete the cache files, and then restart Fusion 360. When the application launches again, it will rebuild fresh cache files automatically. After clearing the cache, try opening your project again to see if the issue is resolved. Another quick thing you should try is simply restarting Fusion 360. Close the program completely and reopen it. In some cases, the error is temporary and restarting the application refreshes the file access process. Here's a quick tip to remember. Fusion 360 Error 123 almost always happens when the file path contains unsupported characters or when the directory path becomes too long for the system to process correctly. Keeping file names short and simple can help prevent this problem in the future. And that's it. That's how you fix Fusion 360 Error 123 step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.